Isabela, thank you so much for this opportunity to have served you, and thank you so much also for welcoming us and the good service that provided to us. It's yesterday.
You are very lucky to have Mayor Dada as your city mayor, working city mayor, at walang ibang iniisip kundi ang kabutihan at kung ano ang pwede niya magawa para sa inyo. At kung paano siya ngayon bilang mayor ay napatunayan namin dito sa audit na ito. Napakaraming programa ang ipinakita. Naandyan yung PESO-initiated programs na makakatulong sa ating mga entrepreneurs. Naandyan yung iba pang programa na walang pwedeng makinabang kundi ang Isabeleños and other nearby communities. No? Sana lang hindi maputol ang ganitong mga programa. Bihirang-bihira kayo makakita na ganitong klaseng public servant na kakaiba ang programa, kakaibang mag-isip at kakaiba siyang gumawa ng mga proyekto na para sa pakinabang ng ating mga Isabeleños.
Na ang City of Isabela ay nag-iisang LGU na ISO certified.
Having a quality of service, becoming a competitive establishment or organization, and all the competencies, the people, the employees, there is no question about your competencies in serving your constituents, no?
Now, Isabela LGU, congratulations for passing the second surveillance audit. And you have successfully implemented your system since 2023.
Happy Isabela, serbisyong damang-dama.
Happy Isabela, serbisyong damang-dama.